Hi everybody, my name is Chelsea Higgison and I'm going to present some tools that I found to be extremely beneficial that I learned in this course. So the first one I want to talk about is Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is a nifty and free screen recorder. It allows you to do what I am doing right now. I can explain what is on my desktop and open various tabs while talking my way through the presentation. One thing I like about Screencast-O-Matic is that I can actually go to different screens on my Mac and show you what's going on without it breaking the flow of my presentation. This is the first short video I created using Screencast-O-Matic for Education 546 course, and I can even play the video without it ruining the flow of my presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play. This gentleman right here, Dr. Bill, is actually the founder and creator of the website, and so as you can see, you can play videos and it doesn't mess up with your flow of your presentation. So going back to my Prezi, the next one I want to talk about is Weebly. Weebly is an extremely easy website builder for non-coders like myself. It offers free platforms for people to work off of. You can edit, add photos, use the free photos Weebly offers, and change the size, style, and color of the text. In addition to it offering many different styles, it also makes blogging easy. I am not a blogger, but I was able to create this website. Let me go ahead and take you to the home page. In probably under an hour and a half, 2 hours, and I am not a coder, you guys. It was extremely easy to make this website. And you can even add different subtopics, so lesson 1. And as you can see, it looks pretty professional. You can embed videos. And as I was saying, you can even have a blog. I am not a blogger, and this assignment really forced me to get a little out of my comfort zone, which was a good thing. But I thought it was so neat how easy it was for my peers, well, one peer, Laura, to leave a comment and for me to reply. I really thought that interaction was neat to see on my blog post. So go Weebly. That is a really great tool. The third tool I want to talk about is Google Surveys. I am guilty of not being an avid user of everything that Google has to offer, like Sheets, documents, all of those cool things and features. But Google Surveys were one of the forms I enjoyed using most. And the first time I used it was in this course. You can create a simple survey, share a link to the survey, people can answer the questions, and Google makes the information easy for you to analyze. So to show you real quickly, these were some questions I put together for my survey. You can choose strongly disagree, neutral, strongly agree, for people to choose as their answer to your question or statement. You can have true or false, and then short answer text down here. And then what Google does is after people answer, Google will put it into a nice graph for you, color-coded even, and all of the responses that your survey takers wrote are right down here. So, way to go, Google. Alright, the fourth one I want to discuss is Tweet Chat. It has many different names, but in essence, a Twitter chat, also known as Tweet Chat, is a public chat around a specific hashtag. This is a great way to connect with people on Twitter to discuss something with a larger audience. For instance, NT Chat is for new teachers and is a great way to connect with other educators who can share their experience and advice. You can join a chat that is already happening or create one on your own. This is awesome, you guys, and one that I look forward to using with my students. But if you Google popular education chats or whatever topic you want, a lot of hashtags will come up, and it will even give you the time that people meet to have this chat. So if you get Tweet Chat, then up here, you would put the hashtag that you would want to join. I have EdChat, and then the live stream during that time would come up and everybody's conversation would be down here, and you can comment to the conversation, and it's pretty neat. Or if a chat isn't happening, you can type in on Twitter the hashtag, and all of these posts that have the hashtag will come up, so you can also see what people are discussing about that specific hashtag as well. So, way to go, Twitter! And in conclusion, incorporating technology into education and one's learning environment is fun, effective when used correctly, and seems to engage students better. I am so glad that this course got me out of my comfort zone, and I learned these 4 awesome tools that I can now apply to my classroom and with my students. So hope you enjoyed my presentation, guys. Thanks for watching.